Welcome back to Smart Home 2035, Part 2. In the previous part, we explored how future homes will think, learn, and respond to us. Today, in Part 2, we're going even deeper, discovering the next level of smart living and the technologies that will reshape everyday life. Let's continue the journey into the home of the future. Movies, music, lighting, everything will shift based on your mood. Feeling stressed? Your home automatically plays calming visuals and sound. Feeling excited? It activates a dynamic lighting setup that turns your living room into a full cinematic experience. But here's the twist. The smarter your home becomes, the more data it collects. Privacy will become the new currency, and the biggest risk. AI assistants, smart thermostats, predictive appliances. These are just the beginning. By 2035, smart homes won't just automate life. They'll transform how we live, work, sleep, and stay healthy. Your home won't just be a place. It will be an intelligent partner, and everything connects seamlessly. Your car, your phone, your appliances, your entire life. Your home learns your routines, predicts what you need, and takes action before you even ask. By 2035, your house won't just be a place you live. It will be your smartest partner.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more documentaries about technology, innovation, and the future. Your support helps us create more amazing content every week.